5 sliding transfer benches you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Carousel sliding transfer bench with swivel seat. Premium padded bath and shower chair with pivoting arms. Space-saving design for tubs and shower. Number 2. Drive Medical 12011 KD 1 tub transfer bench for bathtub with adjustable backrest. Number 3. DMI tub transfer bench and shower chair with non-slip aluminum body, FA eligible, adjustable seat height and cutout access, holds weight up to 400 pounds, bath and shower safety, transfer bench. Number 4. Sliding shower chair Hydroglide Premium Heavy Duty, padded bathtub transfer bench with cutout seat, for bathtub, adjustable legs, and safety belt, quick toolless assembly, blue. Number 5. Savani Patient Lift Wheelchair for Home, Electric Transfer Care Remote Control Patient Lift Assist with 180 split seat and bedpan, elderly disabled shower chair. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.